Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Then click on gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to tap on Pair in Bluetooth pairing request pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this little icon next to connected device and simply click on disconnect. If you wish to forget it completely, click on the same icon, but this time tap on forget this device and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one again by turning off Bluetooth, then switching it back on and clicking on the device one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!